Today's juice blend is a vibrant mix of red cabbage, red grapes, red beet, and sweet Gala apples. This juice was carefully crafted for its ability to support those navigating with fibromyalgia or arthritis. So what are fibromyalgia and arthritis? Fibromyalgia is a chronic condition marked by widespread muscle pain, fatigue, and brain fog. Arthritis, including rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, on the other hand, involve inflammation of the joints, often leading to stiffness, swelling, and limited mobility. Both can be deeply disruptive, but healing starts with nourishment. Red cabbage contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps calm joint pain and reduce oxidative stress. Red grapes are packed with a plant compound known to protect cartilage and ease swelling. Red grapes boost blood flow and help oxygen reach tired muscles and inflamed tissues. And Gala apples, they bring fiber and antioxidants that support gut health, an often overlooked part of managing chronic pain. This juice is a gentle anti-inflammatory support tool. But here's what to minimize in order to maximize the effectiveness of this juice. Vegetables like tomato, white potato, and some peppers are healthy for many, but they can trigger flare-ups in people with arthritis. Citrus fruits and excessive sugar, even from high sugar fruits like watermelon, pineapple, and banana, can also worsen inflammation. It's also recommended to eliminate fried, pickled, and salty foods, as well as dairy products and caffeine, at least temporarily. Healing is personal. What works for one may not work for another. This juice is a great place to start.
All right, let's taste test. This is apples, grapes, Gala apples, grapes, red cabbage, and beet. Let's taste this. See how it tastes. Wow. Very good. The cabbage is very potent in this juice, but not overbearing. So this juice is on the sweeter side. So I may recommend decreasing. I put about 2 apples and a cup of grapes. So I may recommend decreasing to 1 apple and or a half a cup of grapes, but because it's a little on the sweeter side. But you know how beets usually have an earthy aftertaste? You can hardly taste the beet in here. It's pretty good. It doesn't taste like, I mean, you can taste the beet, but it's like I said, it's not overbearing. Good. I like it. I really do. I like it. I definitely think that it's kid friendly because it's sweeter. Get you some, okay? Overall, I would definitely rate this I'd probably rate this at 8 out of 10. It's a little sweet for me. That's probably the only reason it's not a 10 out of 10. It's a little on the sweet side. But it doesn't have an overbearing beet taste. And the red cabbage is a little bit potent, okay? It's a little bit strong. So I probably would put like a little bit less red cabbage in here. But anyways, you guys, all of the ingredients are listed in the description box below. So please feel free to go check that out. Make this juice for you. I pray your journey to recovery is a smooth one. I pray that you stick to it this time, all right? I believe that it will work this time because you know new things and you are gaining new strategies. I want you to be encouraged that you can do this, that no diagnosis from any doctor is final. I don't care how long ago you had it. I don't care how long ago you got diagnosed. I don't care how long you've been on medication. I don't care how far from Grace, you feel you've fallen. I believe that you can reverse it. I believe that that there is healing for you on this side of heaven. And I believe that you can and will witness true wellness before you go home to glory. Okay, one last sip. Definitely recommend. If you struggle with arthritis or fibromyalgia, I want you to try this juice. Give yourself a good 30 days. A lot of times we are quick to say something doesn't work when the truth is we didn't work it, or we didn't stick to it, or we weren't consistent, or we didn't really truly give it our best effort. So before you claim and proclaim from the mountaintops that it didn't work, whether it's the recipe, the ingredients, juicing in general, I want you to stick to it for 30 days. Okay, so try this juice and other juices for 30 days. But anyways, guys, if this resonated with you, then I have other videos on the channel that you can check out. We are working our way through the body systems, and right now we are doing the skeletal system, where we are talking about all things related to the bones that you walk around in, with whether that's joints, aches, pains, whether that's whatever it is and whatever that looks like. There is help, hope, and healing for you on this side of heaven. So if this resonated with you guys, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. There's more where this came from, and I cannot wait to help you witness true wellness.